Hi, today we're gonna review this Amazfit GTR 2E slate gray model. So this watch comes in black, green and gray colors. So it's also 2.5D curved surface glass. It has aluminum housing and also it has silicone straps. So what you got in the box is this watch. So you got this watch with strap. There's one strap like on the box. So this one is gray model. So this you got also instructions. So for Amazfit you got instructions in many languages. And of course you got the charger, like this magnetic charger. So you just put it like behind, and then it's charging. So battery lasts about 1 month till 45 days. So that's what I like this watch, because of the battery. So charger is also USB. So that's the one thing, and also it's universal 22mm straps, so you can easily replace it with any you have. So I have like this also. You see green, it's all universal, so it just fits in the watch. So just here and unplug it and plug another strap. So it's so easy to put it into your choices, and you just click it here into buttons. So also there's two buttons, up and down. So there's the two buttons, but we're gonna talk later about this. So it also has a good AMOLED screen. So it's also 1.39 inches screen AMOLED. It's also very quality color. So also it has anti-fingerprint coating, so it doesn't leave any traces. So it's quite good watch to wear. So it has many sports modes also, and it has good battery. So this is aluminum alloy with silicone strap. Battery lasts about 30 days. So the charging is about 2.5 hours to full charge with this charger. So it's quite fast. It has blood oxygen, biological data sensors, gyroscope, and all other sensors. So it's quite very precise. So it has heart rate, workouts. You see it has many work options here for training. So also it has GPS and GLONASS system for navigation. It has Bluetooth 5.0 version of Bluetooth. So it's also very good. So you connect it with Zepp app. So Zepp application, I will show you later how that looks. Okay, so it's one of my favorite watches because of the battery long. It has stress, SPO2, it has weather, music, but to play from phone. So this watch doesn't play music, so you can't also answer so you can't answer the call. So GTR 2 you can. 2E doesn't have mic and speakers installed, so it has only good vibration. So there is no way to talk with this watch, so doesn't support speakers. So another thing, you can use it for Android and for iOS. Also, it's the same application, Zep or Amazfit on App Store or Google Play. And about connecting, you connect it with your Bluetooth, so you must enable Bluetooth. So I will show you now. We're going into Zep application. So this is Zep, you see, and we're gonna connect the watch. So this is distance, calories, this is notification settings. You see it's sleep. It has also many options. It has also watch faces. You can change watch faces here. Just a second until it connects, or you can press and hold this to change watch faces. So you see there's many faces here that you can change. It's very easy. Watch faces you can also choose here from the application. You see there's a lot of watch faces here. You can choose yours if you purchase it or bought something. This is battery level, it's 95%, and that's very good. About 30 days it lasts on me. Notifications, incoming calls, app alerts, so you can enable this to show your app alerts like WhatsApp, Gmail. You see, you can enable these apps you want to show your notifications. So also incoming messages, goal notification, watch will vibrate when you reach your goal. So it's very good option. And let's see another things. Watch settings. It has weather alarm, so you can also have schedule here. What do you need to ring about sleeping or some activities. This is vibration, system language, so it has these languages. I don't know, is your country here, but this is languages that this watch supports, so it doesn't support any more languages than this on the list. So also about sport modes, walking, running, outdoor, cycling, treadmill. So there's many sports modes here that you can choose, and also you can update via apps. So always there's a new update of this watch, so it's quite easy to work with it. So you sweep right, you have these options. Sweep left, you have alarm, weather. You see it's very easy to set alarm clock also. That's very good. So this is main menu here. No sleeping, no do not disturb and something. This is notifications that you can read. So you can read WhatsApp messages, and also you can't reply, but you can read it. So okay, so another thing is it's water resistance. So it's about IP68, so you can shower, you can swim, you can go to pool, you can wash it like this. So I always wash hands or swimming with this watch, so it's very convenient for that. So it's one of the best watches for prices, but the minus is that it doesn't have speakers built in, but that's because this is model 2E. Without E it has speakers, so you can answer. With E you can't answer, so it's better battery, but it's also very good watch. So if you have any questions about this watch, I'm using it, so you can ask in comments about it. So thank you very much for watching my video, and subscribe to my channel. So thank you.